Today we have something new. I need to put air filter out here, and then I will mount it. It's like a power kit. I printed front ink reverse, and what I want to do actually is that we'll get additional air inside. So I will put the air filter out, but what I will also do, I will 3D scan the filter so that I can later design my own design that will be then everything together. So I will pull it out and we will see what we do. I need to cut the hole inside and everything so that I will have for the short trip which I go to Slovenia in a couple of days, couple of hours, days somehow. And yeah, let's see what we come out. Cut the hole already, so here, and now you see it. This come the filter, here come the original air, and we almost double now the air, so this will not stay so ugly like is this, so don't worry. This is just a prototype, so I put it like this and then like this, and here I will glue it now, but I will also now 3D scan and do that a little bit bigger, and I will try to go down. But here come actually here come the light and coming down up the air. So I believe that will be really good, and I believe that will come quite good air inside. You see it here. Here come really nice. So I will try to do it also piece from this side. But like I say, I will try 3D scan and then design inside, and yeah, let's see how it will come. But yeah, so far like this small upgrade, and yeah, after a long day I did it. So it's back inside the filter, and here you can see the hole. It's here. It's actually here is the main, which main coming here inside, and here behind the line it's actually a little bit, I don't know if you see it, it's a little bit close. So you have here the hole, and the whole idea is that I will open here, so from here inside will go the fresh air and everything, and then we'll take it up the more fresh air, let's say like this. But yeah, this I will not do today because I'm a little bit late with time. I need to go somewhere, and I was doing quite a lot of things. I was fixing the swimming pool in the car because I just remember that already 1 year the door leaking, so I fixed this. I am a little bit in rush, so I will fix this and put the filter inside and then prepare the car, because tomorrow in the night I already travel and you go with me. So thank you. This was a short update, the filter, and I will see tomorrow if it's some performance upgrade. I don't believe it, but a little bit fresh air, it's always good to have it for the engine. Till the next time.